We're living through a housing crisis that's hitting closer to home than most realize. Across communities worldwide, extreme weather is battering buildings with relentless force. Homes that once stood strong for generations are now failing under storms, heat waves, and freeze-thaw cycles that grow more severe every year. What begins as small cracks or peeling surfaces quickly turns into structural damage, displacement, demolition, and loss. And the damage doesn't stop there. When buildings fail, the environmental cost explodes. Demolition waste floods landfills, releasing CO2 and toxic materials into our soil, air, and water, fueling the very climate crisis that caused the destruction. But this cycle is preventable. Green encasement coatings protect buildings before they fail. They seal out moisture, block UV damage, and reinforce aging surfaces, extending building life by decades. They're non-toxic, biodegradable, and designed to protect people and the planet. When we protect buildings, we keep families housed. We reduce waste. We stop toxins from ever entering the environment. Save our housing. Save our planet.